Alright, so ito na yung makukuha yung items, no, sa inside the box. So you get a promotional card about the brand, about the technology. Also a manual, ayan, RTFM. No? So ayun yung style niya, no? Okay. And what else? USB Type-C cable, A to C, ayan, kasi power nito is USB-C. And ito yung unit, yung kanyang MX Anywhere 3S. So, check it out yun. Ganda, grabe. Similar sa design nung gamit ko dati na Logitech na mouse. Parang ito mas high-tech yata ito. So, tanggalin natin to. Meron siya itong Bluetooth pairing daw. Turn on